Azlafa and Ayaz. Today I am going to show you how to make caramel pudding. So let's start. For making caramel pudding, take a bowl. In that you have to add 1 egg. Now you have to add half cup milk. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar. I have taken 1 teaspoon because the spoon is big. Then you have to add half teaspoon custard powder. Now you have to whisk it thoroughly till all the ingredients mix and it becomes a smooth batter. So now your caramel pudding's batter is ready. Now you have to just make the caramel. For making the caramel you need sugar, 1/4 cup and water, 80 ml. So now you have to take a pan. You have to keep it on low flame and add water. And now you have to add sugar. Now you mix this sugar syrup with a spoon so that it doesn't burn and it caramelizes. The caramel should become brown color. Friends, the caramel's color should be like this, brown. So now you have to pour the caramel mixture in a bowl and then tilt it until it covers half of the bowl. Like this. And after some time the caramel mixture cools down, so do it as fast as possible. Now you have to pour the pudding mixture into this. Now you have to cover this bowl with a lid and then you have to steam it and cook. So now I am going to steam it. I have taken a vessel, in that I poured little water and then kept the bowl on a higher position and covered it with the lid. And now you are going to cover it with the vessel's lid. And it should be kept on a medium flame for about 20 minutes. So friends, now I am going to open it and insert a fork in it to check that is it ready or no. So I am just removing these lids. And now I'll just insert a fork and check that whether it comes out clean or no. So it came out clean, you can see, means that the caramel is ready. You can remove it. So now you have to keep a plate, clean plate on top of it like this and tilt it upside down. So now I'm going to tap it like this so that the caramel pudding comes out on the plate. And now you have to remove the bowl and then you will see a magic. See this friends, your caramel pudding is ready. Now you can keep it in the fridge and let it cool down and then it will be ready to serve. So friends, now I am tasting this caramel pudding and it is very tasty. I wanted to say that this is my grandmother's recipe. So friends, now our caramel pudding is ready. You can give it to your children and adults. It is a very healthy recipe. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.